Okay, so let's look at clauses. So main clauses are groups of words that have a subject, and a verb, action. So subject, who, verb, action, who does action. That, and the key word here, expresses something. Talks about something. I taught. I taught. I thought. I speak. Subject, I. Verb, thought, taught, speak. I wrote it. I wrote the object it. They read, or they read, depending on the sentence. I am writing. I, subject, am writing, verb. Makes sense. And it expresses an idea, expresses something. I teach. I am teaching. I speak. I am speaking. You are listening. You, subject, listening. Makes sense. So a subordinate clause are clauses that depend on the main clause to make sense. Here's the main clause, and the subordinate clause depends on the main clause. Without the main clause, the subordinate clause makes no sense. What's it talking about? What do you mean? Makes sense, explain and expands it. Yes. The subordinate clause only makes sense with the main clause. It also explains, like why, how, where, and expands on it, since, because, and beyond. They also have a subject and verb. So I wrote it. I wrote it because I want to express myself. But if we say I want to express myself only by itself, it doesn't mean much. I wrote it because I want to express myself. They read because they want to learn more. They want to learn more. Well, who? And learn what? They read because they want to learn more. I am writing because I need to practice. I need to practice. Practice what? Writing. So I am writing. Yes. I am teaching. I am. Oh dear. I'm teaching. Okay. I'm teaching. A is not working. Okay. Teaching because I'm working on my business. Yes. 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 So I'm teaching A because A. The A doesn't work. A and Q doesn't work. W and S, but no A and Q. Okay. So you could I then could say the A doesn't work because there it is, A. Yeah. Because the computer is old. The computer is old. So what? A doesn't work because the computer is old. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.